Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Honda Phantom VT750. This is a 750 twin-cylinder, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected cruiser. It's all blacked out, really cool, with a matte black finish. Awesome sounding Vance & Hines exhaust. Price to sell at just $39.99. Come by, check it out. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Make your middleweight cruiser dreams come true with this shaft drive Shadow Phantom for just $39.99. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.